Good afternoon, MMT. What we are going to be talking about is Dow 18,000. It was pumped up on very light volume. Nonetheless, it goes down in the record book as to how strong that this bull is. When we had shorted this Dow and used the put options, we went straight down. It started 1, 2, 3. There's the fourth week. Then 1, 2, 3, and guess what? This is where the next 4 weeks, a total of 8 weeks, mathematically speaking, we made a great turn and a great breakout high on the Dow daily 18,000. One of the other things is we can take a look here on this weekly. I am going to be telling you what. We will continue to have the lower, lighter volume. However, what I am saying is that we are going to have, again, very quickly, is that we're going to have another big pullback. Rather these pullbacks are from here to here or reversals, it really doesn't matter on the Dow. It's 30 companies. It's very bullish with weekly moving averages. You got a 50-week here, a 40-week, a rising 20, and lo and behold, the 10-week simple moving average all rising together, which makes that bull even stronger because it's got the 100-week moving average now sitting at 15,991. And therefore, on the Dow, I'm calling for an extreme pullback. Rather, it could come before the new year, or it will happen in a weekly format, and it would look like what are the selling days going to be like. And these are weekly bars right here. Here's another thing. Once again, on this daily chart, we can see quite clearly that yes, it's great. Santa Claus is here, Merry Christmas, and Santa Claus is left. 18,024. Everybody thinks it's perfect. Everybody is celebrating. Well, I can tell you what, that is the time to start getting net on the S&P and the Dow short instruments that we have here that we use, because we're going to get another one of those pullbacks and whatnot. Another thing that we're going to be doing is where the charting platform will give us all the clues. That's a new third party that we're working with now, is Charting Platform, and they're going to provide programs in the platform to make the executions and whatnot. So what I am going to do, I'm going to conclude that the Dow Jones is extremely overbought on a weekly, and once again, the type of top that gets put in here, the short sellers that didn't get out here, we went up. The breakout was 1, 2, 3, 4. Then a 1, 2, 3, 4 right here, that big red bar. That was a lot of selling. But then guess what happened? When we hit that red line there, that's called what? A 20-week simple moving average that the hedge fund traders and the public charting platform brings to people. The charting platform that we have hooked up with and decided to merge is called Charting Platform. It will have all the mathematical inputs just like we did on the S&P. We're just now getting ready to launch that. So basically, we are overbought. And once again, Merry Christmas to Dow 18,000. Overbought. We are going to make a sell off of any gap higher, and then again, that earnings are starting in January of 2015, and we're ending up the calendar year. So listen, we have a calendar and a seasonality trade that's different than any other time of the year.